Simple interest versus compound interest in legal disputes. Simple interest and compound interest play significant roles in legal disputes, especially when courts or tribunals award damages or resolve monetary claims. Simple interest. Definition. Simple interest is calculated only on the original principal amount, not on accumulated interest. For example, if a court awards $100,000 at 5% simple interest for 3 years, the total interest is $15,000, $100,000 times 0.05 by 3. Legal practice. Most courts and statutes traditionally award simple interest on judgments. This is seen as fair and straightforward, ensuring the claimant is compensated for the time value of money without creating excessive penalties for the debtor. Implication. The total amount owed grows linearly over time, making it predictable and less burdensome for the losing party. Compound interest. Definition. Compound interest is calculated on both the original principal and any previously accrued interest. This means the amount owed grows at an accelerating rate, as interest is charged on interest. Legal practice. While less common, some courts and international tribunals have started awarding compound interest, especially in cases where simple interest would not fully compensate the claimant for the loss suffered. Compound interest is more likely to be awarded if explicitly provided for in a contract or if equity demands it. Implication. The total owed can increase significantly, especially over long periods or at high rates, providing a stronger deterrent against delayed payments, but potentially leading to much larger awards. Key differences and legal considerations. Compensation. Simple interest may undercompensate claimants, especially in long-running disputes, as it does not account for the compounding effect of money over time. Compound interest can more accurately reflect the true economic loss. Equity and precedent. Courts may consider equitable factors, the nature of the dispute, and contractual terms when deciding between simple and compound interest. Jurisdictional variance. The default approach varies by jurisdiction. For example, some U.S. states and international tribunals default to simple interest unless otherwise specified. A construction company sues a client for delayed payment of $200,000 for completed work. The court rules in favor of the company, but the client takes 4 years to pay. The contract is silent on interest, so the court must decide between simple and compound interest. With simple interest at 6%, the company receives $48,000 in interest. However, if compound interest is awarded instead, the total interest jumps to over $51,000, better compensating the company for the lost investment opportunity during the delay. The choice between simple and compound interest significantly impacts the final payout and reflects both legal precedent and fairness in the specific case. In legal disputes, simple interest is the traditional and most commonly awarded form, offering predictability and fairness. Compound interest is less common, but may be awarded to ensure full compensation, especially where delays or contractual terms justify it. The choice between the two can significantly impact the final amount owed and the fairness of the outcome for both parties.